Welcome. In this video I'll show how you can fastboot Redmi. To start, you will need to switch off the device by either simultaneously pressing volume down and power keys and moving the toggle to the power off, or pressing and holding the side power button for a second or so. Now let's drag the slider to the power off and allow a few seconds for the device to be shut down all the way. Once it is, you will need to take your phone and simultaneously press and hold the volume down and power buttons, and keep them held until you'll see the fastboot menu appearing on the screen, which may take some time, so, well, be patient here. So hold it here, here it is, now release the buttons, and we have successfully entered the fastboot mode. From here, you would obviously want to, well, connect your Redmi phone to a PC using the appropriate cable, like that, and do your fastboot magic. Now, in order to exit the fastboot mode, all that you gotta do is simply press and hold the power button for anywhere between 5 to, I'd say, 10 seconds, maybe 7 seconds, something like that. Just keep it held until your device will start rebooting. And that's it. You can now release the power button, and now simply allow some time for the device to boot itself back up, and that's it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.